Hello, beautiful people. Beautiful people, that's you. And welcome back to English Fiesta.
FiestaEnglish.com.
Today, let's talk about the face. Face parts. Okay? So this is my face. A face, it can be ugly or beautiful. Is my face, is it ugly or beautiful? On my face, I have a nose. I have a nose. With your nose, you smell things. Smell things. You can smell good things or bad things. Ugh. Your nose. Also, on my face, I have lips. These are my lips. With lips, you can kiss somebody. You can kiss somebody. Do you want to kiss me? Do you want to kiss me? Just kidding. Just kidding. I'm sorry. Okay. One more face part. On my face, I have eyes. I have 2 eyes. With your eyes, you can see. I can see the sky. I can see that tree. I can see my shoe. With your eyes, you see. You can see English Fiesta videos. You can see more English Fiesta videos at FiestaEnglish.com. Come on, let's go. Let's go see more videos. Ready? Let's go.